Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It is Friday. So excited, minus the fact that it slightly snowed today. I just got ready, as you can see. And oh my gosh, guys, I have to show you my bag. The bunny is so cute. I'm obsessed. Anyways, off to dinner. Just wanted to show you my new little fuzzy friend. Today is Saturday and I have a work gala tonight. It is great Gatsby themed. I decided to keep it pretty simple and just kind of like add more jewelry. So I have dangly earrings and then I have a diamond necklace, some bracelets, and I think I'm gonna wear my sparkly Jimmy Choos, and I think that will just tie in the whole outfit. Yeah, I am good on time. My lashes are actually quite sparse, but I think I'm just gonna roll with it because I didn't really have time to touch up my own lashes. Actually, I lied. I probably could have done that today, but I was kind of lazy. I'm probably going to pack my bag and then a change of clothes because honestly, I don't think I can wear this like all night. Probably when I leave the event, I'm going to change because I am such a potato. But you know, we're gonna be glam today. We're gonna stay glam as long as possible. This is the fit. I just have my black dress and my heels. I didn't end up going with sparkly ones. I just want to keep it a little bit more low key. I am going to do some meal prep since I have some time before work. I have chicken thighs defrosted. Oh look, my calendar. Today is going to be a coffee day. Really like These, you can get them at Lucky. I've seen it at Costco. I haven't seen it recently though. I am gonna have some caffeine. Cheers. Also, meet the newest addition to my home decor. I had no idea that these were magnetic and now I'm obsessed. These actually go on these mini MJ tiles, but this is kind of cute. So I think I'm gonna start building a collection and just have it on top of my fridge. My parents went to Kingwell for their Hong Kong style barbecue and I absolutely love their char siu. Actually, all of their barbecue is so good. I made myself some udon because girl needs her noodle fix for the day and I'm gonna enjoy a little bit of my coffee. I am currently making some dinner. I'm feeling some sukiyaki tonight. I also need to use up these mushrooms. So I have some cabbage, carrots, onions, garlic, and then I'm just gonna make the sukiyaki sauce and probably have it with some udon. I know I made a huge portion of sukiyaki, but I'll probably have some tomorrow over rice. And Gino is gonna eat with me and she has some carrots, which are really healthy for her. I'm just going out for a quick dinner. It's not too cold today, so I think a t-shirt and this jacket will do. And then I'm just gonna have this. Good morning. It is Lunar New Year and I had this random craving for an egg sandwich. I have a crazy work day today, but I figured I should wear some red and eat a good hearty breakfast just to start off the year. Whoa. Oh my God. Wishing you all a happy new year. Let me know how you guys celebrate Lunar New Year with your family. Do you guys have dinner? I know I definitely had a big family dinner and that was really nice to see everyone. This last egg is for Juno and I actually don't give it to her very often anymore. So this is a nice little treat for her. I went to T&T the other day and I got some bread because I was craving this for a bit. I'm just gonna spread this on top. And I have my egg sandwich. Mmm. you.